Well, I guess I wasn't recording, but I'm installing the hub right now. So this is an eBay tool. All it is a threaded rod that goes into the crank, and then there's a bunch of washers and thrust washers so it doesn't bind. And all I'm doing right now is just pushing it in. So you can kind of see the two paint marks where like the paint gets stripped off on the hub. So as soon as it goes to that point, you know it's going to bottom out. See, I can feel it start tightening up. I know it's kind of bottomed out now. See, the crank is actually spinning, so this kind of works out. Might give it just one more. Yeah, that's definitely tight. So I'm gonna back it off now. And that's the crank hub installed. And you can kind of tell by where the hub aligns with like the sensor. So that's kind of in the middle, so I know I'm good. And that was it.